Hi guys, welcome back. Joshua Tharby here, the property tax specialist. Today I'm talking to you about accounting dates. So when you set your limited company up, when you first set it up, your company runs from 12 months to the end of the month of incorporation. So let me give you an example. You set your company up on the 14th of December. Your company accounting period is going to run to the end of the next month plus a year. So to the end of December plus a year. When your first accounting period is due, it will be for the 31st of December, the year after you set that up. So if you set your company up in May, June, July, the same principles would apply. For this reason, it might be advantageous for you to look at changing your accounting period so that it's more convenient for you. Because if you set your company year up in, say, February, it's a difficult date to remember, doesn't align with the tax year, doesn't align with the financial year, and as a result, you're going to have to deal with this separately to your personal tax returns and anything else. So for this reason, we recommend our clients either having the 31st of December tax year, so it flows with the financial year, so when you're doing Q1, Q2, Q4 planning, you can do that in alignment with the calendar year. Alternatively, the 31st of March is another fantastic year-end date because this aligns with the personal tax year, so any dividends you take out, any interest you charge on your director's loan account, you've not got to mess around pro-rating it according to the tax year and the financial year. It's just whatever interest has been paid in the company is going to go on your personal tax return. It's nice and easy. So you can either extend if you wanted to look at changing it, you can extend your accounting period up to 18 months potentially, or if that doesn't give you the accounting date you need, you can shorten it to any amount of time just so that it ties in. So this is another fantastic example. If you've got multiple different companies, you really don't want to be having different year ends all over the place. You want to get all your accounts sorted out at once, so change them all to the exact same year end, and that way when it gets to compiling paperwork, dealing with your accountant, you've only got to do it once and it's nice and easy. So that's all for today. I hope you find this tip useful. If you want any more information about changing your company's year end, please do let me know in the comments. Otherwise, have a great day and thanks for watching. So to see my latest video, please do click just up here. It's my latest tax saving video, completely free for you to enjoy, watch and implement so you can start saving tax. If you like what you've seen here today, make sure you definitely do subscribe because we're always releasing fantastic tax saving information that's going to help you build a bigger and more profitable property business. Thanks for watching.